Book 2, Chapter 13 of Dune by Frank Herbert provides a rich tapestry of intrigue, power dynamics, and character development, set against the backdrop of a crucial visit by Count Hasamir Fenring and his wife, Lady Margot Fenring, to Giedi Prime, the Harkonnen homeworld. This chapter is significant for the way it delves into the political and personal maneuverings that underpin the broader conflict of the narrative. The chapter occurs on the occasion of Feyd-Rautha Harkonnen's 17th birthday, an event designed to solidify his position as a formidable figure within the Harkonnen lineage and potentially the broader landscape of the Empire. The outward celebrations, however, mask the underlying tensions and machinations of the key players involved. Upon arriving on Giedi Prime, Count Fenring and Lady Fenring quickly notice the stark contrasts between the superficial festivities and the underlying reality of the planet, marked by dirty buildings and an oppressed populace living in fear. These observations set the tone for their interactions with the Harkonnen leadership. Their meeting with Baron Vladimir Harkonnen and his nephew, Feyd-Rautha, is marked by a careful dance of diplomacy and veiled threats. Count Fenring, known to be a deadly figure despite his unassuming demeanor, exchanges courtesies with the Baron, who is wary of the Count's reputation. The dynamics between the characters are complex, as each party is aware of the other's reputations and underlying intentions. Feyd-Rautha's attempt to dedicate his gladiatorial kill to Lady Fenring is rebuffed, setting up a dynamic where Feyd's attempts at charm and political maneuvering are seen through by the Fenrings. This scene exemplifies the layers of intrigue and the political chess game being played. Count Fenring's private conversation with the Baron reveals the Emperor's dissatisfaction with the Harkonnen management of Arrakis, highlighting the broader political stakes and the Emperor's interests in the spice production of the desert planet. The Count's warning against turning Arrakis into a prison planet like Salusa Secundus without Imperial permission underscores the delicate balance of power and the need for political acumen in navigating these waters. The gladiatorial combat itself is a spectacle designed to showcase Feyd-Rautha's prowess, yet it is also a carefully orchestrated ruse, with the combatant, a captured Atreides soldier, supposed to be drugged but actually fully aware. This setup, devised by Feyd and Thufir Hawat, is meant to enhance Feyd's reputation by overcoming a supposedly formidable but secretly handicapped opponent. The revelation that the slave has been conditioned to weaken at the sound of a specific word, allowing Feyd to achieve victory, highlights the manipulation and deceit at play. The Count and Lady Fenring's recognition of the ruse does not diminish their assessment of Feyd-Rautha's potential. Lady Fenring's contemplation of seducing Feyd to preserve his bloodline reflects the Bene Gesserit's long-term plans and genetic manipulation. Their comparison of Feyd with Paul Atreides, noting the wasted potential due to his upbringing, provides insight into the philosophical and moral underpinnings of the characters and their views on leadership and destiny. This chapter is pivotal in setting up the intricate interplay of politics, personal ambition, and the theme of destiny versus self-determination that runs. That's all for today. If you like this bookly chapter summary, please let me know by pressing the like button or leaving a comment down below.